A collective noun is the name for a group of people or things. Let's find an example in this book, The Big Game. A group of players is called a team. It looks like they're winning the game. And a group of grapes is called a bunch. After the game, the team ate a bunch of grapes. Team and bunch both refer to a group of things, so they are collective nouns. Tap the collective noun in the sentence. We'll pack. Remember, a collective noun is the name for a group of people or things. Tap, pack. Great job! A group of wolves is called a pack. Find the collective noun in this sentence. Class. Woohoo! A group of students is called a class. Find the collective noun in this sentence. Litter. Meat beats. A group of kittens is called a litter. Find the collective noun in this sentence. Stack. Good thinking! Isaiah grouped his papers in a stack. Match each group with its collective noun. Grapes. Elephants. Sheep. Match good thinking. Complete the sentence with the correct collective noun. Band. Way to go! A group of musicians is called a band. Complete the sentence with the correct collective noun. Team. Team. Super! A group of players is called a team. Complete the sentence with the correct collective noun. Herd. That's it! A group of elephants is called a herd. Thanks for learning with me.